Welcome to Vadu. The festive season has already begun and I have come up with few tabletop decors for the last moment of the festival to decorate our homes. You can use this on your dining table, center table or any corner table. So let's get started. We have a center table, very simple one, which I'll be showing how to decorate. Now I will place a plywood tray kind of thing which is circular in shape at the center of the table, and I have these wooden bowls which I have filled up with haldi and kumkum. Always remember one thing: when placing a cluster or a bunch of things, there should be different heights to give different dimensions. So I have placed a small block of wood under the haldi bowl. I have this diya which is little higher than this one. So instead of lighting up diyas, I have placed few fairy lights in it and I've molded them with the help of small pebbles, white pebbles. So this is how I have placed them. Then what I will do is I will place two earthen diyas or the terracotta diyas, which will give the complete desi look for this center table top. And to add up to that, I will add the greens. You can use any plants which is available with you. And I am placing some eucalyptus berries, dried berries, to enhance the look, and just lit up the diyas. So this is how bright and simple earthy look it is, and I hope you like it. To enhance it more or to variate it with the items which are easily available to you, you can place a placemat like this, which is crocheted one, and I've willingly given some space so that I can highlight this, and you can avoid the spillage of oil if any. And place a small green always so that it enhances the look to give a complete look to the center table or your dining table. In this I have used a pink crochet mat. To match that, I am placing some pink flowers on the diya or the LED lights which I have placed. So this is how it looks. You can variate it with, like I did on the jade plant, I've placed it, or you can use some leaves, or you can variate the sizes or shapes of the bowls. And you can do, instead of a tray, you can place a small urli, reverse it, place this diya and a small jar of, as I did with this one. So which one of this you liked, you can just share it with me. For the second theme, I chose the color red. You can choose any color of your choice. So I have placed my red color dupatta, which has few tassels on it, on the table, and at the center I'll place a white tray to break the color of this. And these are melamine balls which I have usually at home. So with this we can create a small and cute centerpiece. How, I will let you know. I've bought this lantern from Home Center. So I will place this ball reverse to give the height and dimension, as I said. Then I will place this lantern on it, and in this small bowl I am pouring little potpourri to give the fragrance when someone arrives at your place. And in this small bowl and a small tray, I will place only one single flower to give that early look and festive look. Fresh flowers you can add, and to enhance it more, I am just adding more rose petals. You can create this look with small knickknacks which you have at home. I have this, my child's playing item, where I am pouring little water, and you can place it at any point so that you can break the color of red with little bit of green and bring a cohesive look for this arrangement. So this is how it has turned up to be. And if you want, as it is in a lantern and the lights are not out, I would like to just give it a more twist by placing a small embroidered throw kind of thing on the table. So this is how it looks. You can variate it with, like I did in this, 2 lanterns and 2 crochet mats and a small orly at the center. So how do you like this look? So for the next one, I chose the colors as blue, yellow and pink, where I have used a very simple item as a table runner on this these pillowcases, where I have new pillowcases I had, so I placed them as a table runner. Then these are the small bowls, glass bowls, which are blue in color, which I have. So to match with the theme, I have colored the rice with the help of turmeric in yellow, and I am placing a tea light candle in it, and I have placed few pink petals to go with the theme. And in the center I am using a big bowl for the urli look. I have made a water candle. If you wish, you can just check out my previous Diwali video how to make this glass bowl water candle. I filled up the urli with water. Now I am placing some fresh flowers, and that's it. This look would be complete once we lit the diyas. I hope you like this simple decoration. You can use this for dining tables. It will enhance very beautifully your look, and it won't occupy much of your space. You can reduce 1 or 2 items, or you can use only 1 item out of these 2. So this is how the outcome is. Very simple and very easy to make even at the last moment. And for the next one, I chose the theme as multicolor or colorful one. In this, I have made I've laid the cotton blouse piece as the table runner, and I've made this multicolor jar, which is a double jar. If you wish, you can write down in the comments below. I would make a different video on how to make it. This is how it looks, layered by layer, and from the center. So I am placing a money plant in it to give that green and colorful look. I am placing a bowl of potpourri to the other side in a glass bowl. These are all the clear glass set. Then the plate, and then a small urli with the clear glass bowl. Then I filled up the water into transparent glasses, and I am adding food color. Once the food color is added, it goes very light and transparent. You can add she cells if you have, or any other small knickknacks in it, or as simply you can add the tea light candles floating on it. I have made this bottle candles. If you wish, you can just ask below. I will make a video on how to make these bottle candles as well. So I'm just placing randomly the flowers and the bottle candle, and this look is complete. So we will just lit the diyas and the bottle candles for this look. So how do you like it? These are the nail polish bottles which I have used for the look. So I hope you're enjoying the making of this tabletop decor. So finally, this is how it looks, and to enhance it a bit more, what I did later is, in the potpourri bowl, I have added a glass bowl with a fairy light string. So this is how it looks when the light goes off. Very mildly lighting up bottle diyas, bright water candles, and flickering fairy lights. So this completes our 4th look for this easy DIYs. Now for the fifth one, and one of my favorites out of these, the traditional look or the brass look, you can even say a golden look. I have laid my dupatta, which is a Banarasi kind dupatta. So this is a tall diya which I am gonna use, and some ornamental diyas which has crystals, a small urli, and few bowls to give the height and dimension, a incense holder, and some artificial flowers for this look. And few chains if you have, you can just throw, they give very beautiful look. So very arranged a plate with flowers in it for the tall diya as the height dimension goes. Then the urli which comes here. I am not using water, I have just placed the artificial flower in it, the incense holder, then the couple of diyas, ornamental, the crystal diyas. Then I will place the gold, the chains kind of thing which are falling out of the urli, and place some flowers, lit up the diyas and the incense, and tada, your look is ready, the traditional look. You can use this for corner tables, it will be very beautiful for your Diwali evening. Which one of these you like the most? Please write in the comment below. Thank you so much for watching. Wish you all a very happy Diwali. Stay tuned to my channel, like, share and subscribe.